Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Skul St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School Kalawan Hakakadan Nyngkong haka result Higher Secondary School Living Certificate Hsslc naka art stream balapan mi mentakasngi daka embos haka baki art ngut ki kena naka nika school Kilawan Hakakadan Nyngkong haka Thup top dan kini ki art ngut ki bawan Hakakadan Nyngkong ki Thup yu Albert Mate ubayo sauspa sanpusan mak bat ka idawan pli shisha sweru kalayo sauspa sanpusan mak ki weipat ki bapoi haka Thup top dan haka art stream Kilong Kaneli Mary Camden Kabawan Hakakadan Baar na St. Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo Kasafilia Walang Kabalawan Hakakadan Balai na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Neve Sharma na Don Bosco College Higher Secondary Section Tura Bawan Hakakadan Basau Nangrim Mangsang Sangma na St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School Hakakadan Basan Gideon Elias Queen Cream na St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School Bawan Hakakadan Bahandriu ka Priscilla Lamdin Tilingdo na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Hakakadan Bahanyo Mibal Aihun Mawyong ibadai irregular candidate but Alvarin Meba Aihun Lingdo na St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School Kibawan Hakakadan Bapra Kalap Diang Hun Shisha Khonglam na Sora Government Higher Secondary School but Amanda Lingwa na St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School Kibawan Hakakadan Bakandai Josephine Bare na St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong Bawan Hakakadan Bashipo Kidon hadu Ngut naka Skul St. Edmund'S Higher Secondary School kibapoy haka Thup top 10 haka nika exam SSLC haka art stream benta usnam arjar arpusan.